Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To the Honorable Dr. Vina Nurpiani SSMPD and all college who have watched this video. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rindo Tapiani from class 2B. And here I will present about approach not product. In the teaching methodology, there is definition of approach, definition of method, and definition of technique or procedure. The first definition of approach. An approach is a way of looking at teaching and learning. Underlying any language teaching approach is a theoretical view of what language is and of how it can be learned. An approach gives rise to method, the way of teaching something, which use classroom activities or technique to help learners learn. Examples of approach. Number one, genre-based approach or text. Grammar translation approach. Number two, direct approach or speaking. Number three, communicative approach or interactive activities. And last, community language learning or interaction in target language. The second definition of method. Teaching methods are the broader technique used to help students achieve learning outcomes, while activities are the different ways of implementing these methods. Teaching method helps students master the content of the course, learn how to apply the content in particular context. Method covers number one, a syllabus model. Number two, types of teaching and learning activities. Number three, teacher roles. Number four, students roles. Number five, the roles of instructional materials. Number six, the roles of instructional medias. And next, example of methods. Number one, total physical response. Number two, communicative language teaching. Number three, grammar translation method. Number four, direct method or natural method. And the last definition of technique or procedure. Technique is a specific activities manifested in the classroom and is consistent with a method and in harmony with an approach as well. Examples: presentation, discussion, asking and answering questions. So, ESP is an approach, not a product. ESP is a belief or assumption that teaching English can be done based on the needs of students in a particular field. So, what is ESP? ESP is seen as an approach, not as a product. ESP is not a particular kind of language or methodology. ESP doesn't consist of a particular type of teaching material. ESP is an approach to language teaching which is based on the learner's need, or why does the learner need to learn a foreign language. And ESP is not general English. ESP is part of English as a foreign language. ESP English language centered approach. ESP is teaching based on the learner's needs. ESP covers communication and learning. ESP is not a method of teaching specialist varieties of English. ESP is not just a method of science, words, and grammar for sciences. Maybe that's all I can explain about this approach not product. Hopefully it will be useful for all of us, and I really hope for improvement to my current presentation mistakes. I'm happy to receive correction and suggestion from Miss Pina as an ESP lecturer and also from college. That's all from me. Sorry if there are mistakes and shortcomings. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.